Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to delete your account on LinkedIn permanently. So to do this you have just to go to LinkedIn, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. Go to settings, account preferences, click on it, and after that scroll down until you will find close and delete account. Click on it. After that, click continue. Choose the reason. Click next. And after that, it will tell you to enter your password to close your account. So you have to enter your password and you can choose to unsubscribe from LinkedIn email communications and click done. And by clicking done, you will delete your account. But if you delete your account, you will lose all the data related to it. So if you want just to deactivate it and get it back again, you can go to Hibernate account, click on it, and after that click Hibernate, click I need a break, click next, and put your password here and click Hibernate. And by doing this, you can log in again at any time to your account and you can reactivate it and use your account again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.